Our strategy is called SCORE. Core for what it's all about, wholesale. Top quality products and services for our customers. And that's how we'll achieve our goals. For instance, more than 40 billion euro in sales by the year of 2030. Here we go.
We are posting strong sales growth and with a huge appetite for more. To drive this, we are ramping up our investments, and thereby we will achieve more than 2 billion euros of EBITDA by 2030. Here we go.
We are focusing on our multi-channel business because we know that when the customers are buying in multiple channels, they are buying significantly more. With our stores, our deliveries, and our online channel, we will make the difference. Here we go.
Wholesale is a people's business, the ones who make it all possible. We are passionate makers to consistently drive the customer value. Therefore, we are also expanding our Salesforce teams. Here we go.
As a wholesaler, our customers come to us for product. Therefore, we are strengthening our own brand ranges in order also to develop even faster our food service distribution business. Here we go.